Ever notice how some people just breeze through challenges while others get totally stuck? I've been there, staring at a problem, feeling like I'm running in circles. But here's the secret: problem solving isn't some magical talent. It's a skill, and anyone can get better at it. Let's break down the process so it actually makes sense in real life. First up, problem identification. Seriously, don't skip this. It's tempting to jump straight to solutions, but trust me, if you don't fully understand the problem, you'll waste way more time later. Ask yourself, what exactly am I dealing with? Gather the facts, talk to people involved, and get clear on what's actually going wrong. And keep an eye out for those hidden variables, external factors, constraints, all those little details that can totally change the nature of the challenge. Next, it's time to analyze and explore. I like to collect as much info as possible: data, stories, similar past issues. Then I break the problem down. Instead of being overwhelmed by one giant scary issue, I turn it into smaller pieces. Suddenly, it's way more manageable. Now comes the fun part: generating possible solutions. This isn't the time to hold back. I let my brain go wild, brainstorm anything, even the weird ideas. Don't judge them yet. And if you can, look at the issue from multiple perspectives. Ask a colleague, imagine how a friend would see it, or research how others have solved similar problems before. Sometimes the best ideas come from the least expected places. Then I start evaluating my options. For each possible solution, I weigh up the pros and cons. Which ideas are actually doable? What's the cost, the time, the risk involved? And here's a crucial step. Think about short-term versus long-term impact. Is this just a quick fix, or will it still work 6 months down the line? Once I've settled on the right approach, it's all about implementation. I make a clear plan. What are the exact steps? Who needs to help? What resources like time, money, or people do I need? And most importantly, what's my timeline? But it doesn't end there. Once my solution is in play, I keep an eye on how things are going. Am I actually solving the problem, or did something unexpected pop up? If things aren't working, I don't panic. I adapt. Tweak the approach, try something new, and stay flexible. Finally, after things settle, I always take a moment to reflect. What worked? What didn't? What can I do better next time? That reflection isn't just about patting myself on the back or beating myself up. It's about turning every challenge into a chance to get better at problem solving for the future. And honestly, there are some awesome techniques that help at every stage. Root cause analysis, digging deep into the real source of an issue. The 5 whys, keep asking why until you hit the root, not just the symptom. SWOT analysis, looking at strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Mind mapping, visualizing the problem and all possible solutions. And sometimes, good old trial and error just works best. Mentally, I try to balance critical thinking, being logical and analytical, with creative thinking, going outside the box. And, let's be real, sometimes the best solutions come when collaborating with others, combining different skills and perspectives. So next time you hit a roadblock, remember, problem solving is a process. Break it down, stay curious, and treat every challenge like a chance to level up. You've got this.